this video, I will show you how to fix follow limit reached on Facebook. So first of all, go to Facebook. Then click on your profile in the bottom right corner. Here, click on your username. Now your profile will open. Right below your username, you will see followers and following list. Click on following. Here you will see the list of people that you are following. Now to fix follow limit reached, what you need to do is unfollow any account that you no longer need to follow. Simply click on the three dots right beside the profile. Then click on unfollow and that will be removed from your followers list. Or what you can do is you can see manage here. Click on manage. Then you can see the list of accounts. You can simply click on unfollow and that will be removed from your following list. Next thing you can do is open Play Store, search for Facebook, then check if there is any update available. If there is, then update your app and try to relaunch it. And this is how you can fix follow limit reached on Facebook. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.